stretch the legs on some trails. And very nice visitor centre. Ideal if you're going to be spending all day biking here, plug in your car and charge up.
In case you're wondering, a mountain bike fits easily in the back of a Nissan Leaf.
We have a little friend joining us for a tasty snack. Hello!
Peanut butter? We're on our way to go and check out Tywyn, Hendy Farm Cottages, charge point.
Gynna ni 5 o beth yna, dyma gyd yn 5 star. A da ni'n neud gwylio brecwast yn yr tŷ. A da ni just tu allan Tywyn. Mae gennym ni yr reilffordd Tafarllyn yn rhedeg trwy canol y ffarm. A mae gennym ni stop ni'n hunan Tafarllyn. Dwi'n falch o ddeud na chi di'r rhai cyntaf di blygio mewn gobeithio a bydd o rhywbeth. Bydd na mwy o defnydd yn cael ei wneud. Bydd yn lyflu fod nhw'n dod yma, mynd ar y tren wrach, mynd i ffwrdd am y diwrnod a dod nôl ac wedi car i fyny. Doedd na'm problem o gwbl, ond bod ni'n gwybod.
O, ffantastig. Diolch yn fawr iawn.
A ni, diolch.
Go for a little run up to have a look at the waterfalls.
Yeah!
Alright, you ready to go?
The leaf on charge. Looking forward to having a good look around all the crafts.
Having a coffee. What have you been up to, Amy?
Yeah, it's to the distillery. So good little gifts. They're all nicely wrapped up.
I'm Dusty Rhodes, I live at the Railway Cottage. This is my wife Ron, so we work together very much on this project.
We do.
We've been running this business for 10 years. Val is a very scenic place, lots of activities. Whitewater rafting because there's the river Trydanol at the bottom of the garden. We're very close to Cordy Brennan for mountain biking. and also Snowdonia.
And there's Bala Lake, of course, for the zip wire and the underground trampoline.
Yeah.
It's becoming the area for adventure.
Yeah.
We're both very keen on being green. Part of our heating is an air-to-air system. We're getting a number of enquiries now for people stay with electric cars.
One of the first people we had was somebody who owned a Tesla.
And they came from London only because they got the charging point. And we've had 3 or 4 other people call that have been on holiday and they've booked during the day to come and charge.
Car and they want to go and have a coffee, they can go to the cafe. Matthew will be delighted to see them, you know. And then they go off and walk up to
The
Whitewater Centre.
Walking.
Yeah. Yes, we're quite happy for people to ring us up and say, we're on our way, can we come and charge our car? For us, doing B&B, it's a form of advertising as well, because one gentleman said, oh, I'm going to come back and stay here and charge up my car.
So I just come down to Simbala here, parked the Nissan Leaf, nicely topped up from the railway cottage here in Bala. Alright, let's get this boat in the water.